Welcome to our channel, where we'll show you how to use Afterpay on PlayStation Store. Firstly, log into your Afterpay account through the browser or app. Search for PlayStation under the Shop Now option and select the gift card option since there is no direct way to use Afterpay. Select the amount you wish to top up with and hit Buy for yourself to complete the process. Once you have purchased the gift card, go to the PlayStation Store site and make your purchase. During checkout, redeem the gift card option and redeem the value to complete your purchase. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Stay tuned for more videos.